everyone, it's Kelly Wise Chapman from Stitches and Sweet Tea, and oh my gosh, look at where John and I just spent the weekend. We are at Crescent Lake Fish Camp, Crescent Fish Camp in Crescent City, Florida. Anyway, I got to look into doing a retreat here because they have little cabins and they have campsites. It's really super cute. There's a place to fish. But anyway, I thought this was the perfect spot to announce the Summer Lovin Stitch-A-Long. So this is the Summer Lovin Stitch-A-Long quilt. Isn't it cute? So what we'll do is a block of the week, not a month, a week, because we want this to be done in the summertime. So each week you can either have them mailed to you or you can pick the block up in the shop. So like one block would be the watermelon, one block would be the stars, the ice pops, and so on and so forth. So you'll pick up the fabric to do and the pattern to do each block once a week, and I'll have the dates listed on the calendar. Then we'll have a finishing kit for this, or you can just use your own scraps. This is a great way to use up the stash 2.5-inch strips that you've got with all those fun colors, leftover pieces of binding, and so forth. Then at the end of the 6 weeks, you'll have your completed squares, and you'll just have to do the finishing with your strip sets. But this is the Summer Lovin Stitch-A-Long from Stitches and Sweet Tea. I did not create the pattern. You will get a copy of the pattern after the whole program is complete. But again, this is your summer fun project, kind of like going to summer camp. Anyway, so this is Kelly Wise Chapman from Stitches and Sweet Tea. Look for all of the details on the Summer Lovin Stitch-A-Long in your email. Thanks. I look forward to seeing everyone soon. Bye-bye.